Ford has just shaken up the automotive industry with a $30,000 electric pickup backed by a $5 billion investment. This is a secret system that promises to disrupt how cars are built and could make Tesla and Chinese automakers nervous. Over 100 years ago, Ford changed the world with the Model T, a simple, affordable car built for the masses. Today, history repeats itself. Ford has announced its new electric Model T moment, a platform that could redefine the industry forever. And it's all thanks to a new production system Ford calls the Universal EV Production System. Forget the traditional assembly line. Ford has completely reinvented it. In this video, we'll break down how this platform works, what vehicles will be built on it, and why it could be the masterstroke Ford needs to dominate the electric future. It's a new assembly method that removes 20% of the parts from a standard vehicle and speeds up production. The real breakthrough isn't just in the car, it's in how it's built. Ford has ditched the idea of a single assembly line. Instead, they've created an assembly tree. 3 sublines run simultaneously. One builds the vehicle's front section, another the rear, and the third focuses solely on the structural battery, pre-assembling it with the interior, seats, and center console. In the final stage, these 3 large sections are joined together in one step. This process, which Ford CEO Jim Farley has called a Model T moment, radically simplifies production. The goal is to cut the number of workstations by 40% and the number of parts by 20%. Less complexity means lower cost, faster assembly, and, in theory, higher quality. The battery is at the heart of this new strategy. To keep costs down, Ford will focus on lithium iron phosphate prismatic batteries. These are cheaper, longer-lasting, and free of cobalt and nickel, costly and sometimes controversial metals. Ford is even becoming the first automaker to produce this type of battery in the U.S., securing its own supply. What's most innovative is that this battery isn't just an energy source, it's part of the vehicle's structure. The Universal EV platform integrates the battery directly into the chassis. This saves weight and space, allowing a vehicle the size of a Maverick to offer interior room comparable to an SUV like the Toyota RAV4. The first vehicle to roll off this revolutionary platform will be a compact electric pickup in 2027. Priced from around $30,000, Ford positions it as the spiritual successor to the Maverick, but fully electric. Ford promises it will be as quick as a Mustang EcoBoost, with a low center of gravity for superior handling. But the pickup is just the beginning. The Universal EV platform is designed to be flexible. Ford has already shown it can underpin a full range of vehicles, from 3-row SUVs and delivery vans to smaller models. With this new strategy, Ford is making a bold statement. Its aim is to compete head-on with EV startups and, above all, with the growing threat from Chinese automakers. The bet is massive, and the $5 billion investment proves they're serious. If Ford delivers on its promise, we could witness the company's rebirth as a leader in the electric era. But the question remains, will this platform be enough to make Ford the #1 player in the EV market? Share your thoughts in the comments.